Hey yo, what's happening everyone? What's happening? We're back with this video. We promised you that you're going to be uploading another video, and today we're looking at Usdcad, and we are currently at these prices over here, 1.3152, somewhere down there, and we are now going to be finding out how we got here, which are the waves that have been, we've been riding all these previous weeks, and we're trying to understand where we going to be heading, and let's get right to it. So to understand how we got here, or why this turned over here, or why this turned over here, we need to go back a little bit as we always do. So we're going to be starting maybe right over here, which is clean and visible. That's okay. This is the peak over here, and then we started falling from this point. So if we start over here, we're going to be naming our waves, right? So we're going to be starting from where the price actually peaked and then dropped from there. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all this action that's been happening this side, we've been driven by these waves over here, as you can see. So we are going to take them as the drive. So these are the these are the mother waves. I mean, which drives this trend. All this cycle down here. So for now, let's understand what is going after what happens after we make this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So it's an ABC, an ABC actually pattern in the opposite direction, as we all know. So which is need to be visible in our eyes before we interact with it. So for now, we actually see that okay, here's an ABC in the opposite direction, as you can see, right? It's a clean and clear structure, and then you can start engaging with the market if you wanted to short the market, if you've already seen these waves, if you counted them correctly. Then you'll be expecting an ABC, and then from there we continuously decline with these waves because these ones are driving the price right now. We call them, these are motive waves, right? So this is the corrective wave in the opposite direction. So this one, remember that these ones over here, they are making one. They are making one because they are now a full cycle, which is making wave one, right? So now we got one over here, and now we need two there. So this APC was just making two, two, and then we're gonna be falling from here. As you can see, we have fallen. So right now, what we need to do is to put some letters over here with an APC letters that are clean and visible. So we're gonna remove this. So you can see what have been happening. Actually, I could just use a line over here, a trend line, not an actual line. So it's ended down there, and then okay, this is horizontal. So you can see that our cycle, first cycle ended over here, and then it's an APC in the opposite direction. And if you are trying to find out where it is likely for this price to make this trend to go down over here, maybe you open your charts and where the graph was over here, and then now it's rising, and then you are trying to catch that price, which is going to be the seller's price. So you're going to be putting your Fibonacci. You always, you know that we usually target 50% and 60%. So let's leave 50% is here and then 60% over here. As you can see, it is clean and nice. So 60% is our golden ratio, and then we did 10 make a U-turn over there on at 60%. So right now, an APC pattern is complete right over there, and then we can remove this. And okay, great. So you see an ABC pattern, and now the price is actually declining. So this is just the cycle of the Elliott wave theory. It just happens like this. You need some full cycle of wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which then tends make one at the end, and then an APC which makes two. This is a corrective wave in the opposite direction, and then after that you need to continue with the actual trend, which was this bearish trend over here, these waves. Then you continuously go down low and low, which is we are now making wave three, just like over here, which is wave 3, and then we're gonna need for 5, and then we're gonna need for 5 down there. So we are actually declining, 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 as you can see. So from here, what was happening, and then okay, we're just gonna go lower because you know we need some more noise that you can work with. So it is always where you decide to start at, as I've always emphasized that. So over here you can see that okay, these are not that significant that you can count as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're gonna just ignore this, right? So if you decide to go down even further like this, you're gonna be like, okay, I now see an impulsive move and a corrective move. Oh, okay, this is awesome, and then you start underlining, I mean, numbering your waves, and then this will be 1, 0, 1, 2. Then you're gonna need 3, right? 3, 4, 5, okay, and then so. But remember that remember the rules that 4 must not touch where 110 is. So this price, okay, it's never did. As you can see, there is a slight gap over there, but we're gonna skip this one as we usually do, and then we're gonna be updating our waves. So 3 is gonna be there now, which means 4 is this, and then this is 5. So as you can see, it's clean and clear because this is just like a harmonic pattern. We can measure this leg and then clone it. We're gonna find some equal legs, but I don't think this is equal. It's kind of long. It's equal. So you see, it was supposed to turn over. This 3 was supposed to be, but some slight changes happen in the market. You don't need something to be perfect. So so in between wavelength of 3, so you're gonna be usually doing that what I did here, cloning that line, and then you get 3. So if you realize, then this is going to be 7 waves because it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 before you complete a full cycle. I mean a full cycle. And then let's take a look at here if we did have such 7 waves. But usually sometimes it all depends on what the market wants to do. So as you can see, in between the wavelength of 3, there is nothing like 1, 2, like line that you're gonna close, and then a clone, and then a correction, and then another impulse completing 3. So I guess this one we're pretty much clean. But down there, there's some noise. As we like noise, we like to work with it. So it gives us some very good opportunities along the way. So as you can see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, but you're gonna skip this one because you know how to treat them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So after that 5 complete, you know what you're expecting an ABC pattern in the opposite direction, and then you continuously write the price even lower and lower. So if you put your price separation lines over here, you're gonna be like this. Okay, this trend started over here. Let's remove this one. Ended here. Started at this line and ended over there. So let's put our vertical horizontal line to close the square over here. The square is closed, and then up there where we started counting, and then the square is closed, right? So as you can see, these are impulsive. Oh no, down there. Let's see. If it ends over here, for now we are not acting, we are just analyzing, right? So you cannot just, because you think this is, and then you buying, you do not buy in the opposite direction. You do not try to oppose the trend, because this is the very trend. As you've seen the bigger picture on 4 hours, we are just making 3. We're going to continuously fall and fall and fall and fall. So you will allow this to go up so that you can have those opportunities to sell again. If maybe it's going to be over here, some people will be using other blocks. Maybe if you take this one right here, this one, this candle, then maybe it's gonna be this, which makes the price even go lower. We don't know. So not until you have a visible APC. So you're gonna be continuously to make those trends in the opposite direction. I mean, continuing with the better trend. But sometimes maybe it's gonna be up there. You don't know. That will help you. So this trend started over here, and then you ended down over here at 5. Then you need that 50%. As you can see, this aligns itself with 50%, and then here is 60% up there. 60% is up here, and then there are some possibilities that you're gonna be up going up to that point. So you also do need to understand why, because there is this price over here would tend to be, I mean, it was a support tending to be resistant right now. So as you can see, the price bounced off of it, making it 1, and then it went up, making 2, and then 3, 4, 5. So it's either it is this price over here aligning itself with this order block, or over here at 60%. And after you see that ABC pattern, you're gonna close this again, and then you're gonna be having your ABC, naming it as well. Then you continuously, try to make those bearish trades. Yeah, I think it is dead for now on USD.